how to embed a YouTube video in Canva. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But it's very simple to go ahead and do this. There's two different methods. So the first one is just going over to YouTube, and we're just going to go ahead and open it right now. And then just go ahead and find whatever video you want. So let's just say in my instance, it's this one right here. Right click on it and then press copy link address. So you're copying the link. Now, all I'm going to do is go into here and then click on paste. Press allow over here. And then all I got to do is paste it right here. And as you can see, it says copy and pasting Canva. These actions are unavailable using the right click menu. But all I got to do is press Control V, or I can go ahead and press, right click or go on here like so. Wait for it to open. Then highlight this and press Control and C. Then go into here and then press Control V. As you can see, the video is now right here. I can resize it. I can play it if I want to. It's just double click to interact. So I could go ahead and do that. What I could also do is add a link to an image or anything like that. So I can press edit link right here and add anything else that I want. And yeah, it's as simple as that.